What up, Track Cat family? Really, the whole weekend is my birthday. And tonight, or today, we gonna do something. Now, while I was parking, I pulled up and it was like a white M4. Now there's a Nardo gray one. His buddy had pulled up. The white one left, but this one's real clean. The Nardo gray, what? With the BMW M Performance plate? And I know it's not a regular M. That is the CSL. It has like the special, I don't know, it got a special little M4 badge on it, which is real hard. That motherfucker's cold. I like the color. The Nardo gray on any car, in my opinion, Nardo gray on any car is cold. I mean, even Nardo gray on the Cat. I like the green. Y'all know the green, the F8 green is real rare, but Nardo gray would be hard. So I know I told y'all we doing something, right? Still my motherfucking birthday, and we're en route to my boy with this crazy GT500, and he's also with his other boy that has a Ferrari. Yeah, come on now. So this about to be real nutty. It's about to be real nutty.
In half a mile, turn right into the parking lot.
Siri loud as a motherfucker, but this about to be super nutty. Yeah, the content, the footage we finna get right now. And my boy's GT500 is not regular. It's not stock. It's 1,000 horsepower. It's tuned up. Yeah, it's that full E85 nasty.
This not a lie drill, nigga. Yeah. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This the real thing. Gang, gang, yeah. Fuck that bitch at nighttime. Daytime she don't see me. Acting like an asshole. Pocket holding 50. Pull it with a Mickey Mouse clip. This ain't this.
So now, I know y'all can't see me, but I know y'all seen the montage. I know y'all seen the montage. And now we about to get some roller shots. Some crazy, nutty roller shots. Y'all see the stars in the GT500 though. Whew. What? Okay.
Alright. Then let him hop in front of you, so we'll get his first. Alright.
This is nutty.
Are you racing? No race.
Camera car is not regular. Oh my god, that motherfucker is skating. A little improv race.
Got the McLaren and the Ferrari. give the Ferrari the gap real quick.
Oh shit, this motherfucker bad, boy. Motherfucker moves, man.
Oh my God. So now I'm about to hop in the McLaren and get some shots of my boy's GT500. And it's not regular. Y'all seen the inside. Now let's see what it look like from the outside. You see the stars in that motherfucker too?
Camera car, it's a little swifter.
This mirror is hard. It's blocking the view, right? But this motherfucking mirror is hard. Then we got the lighting. Then we got some lighting right here. What up, y'all? So I just made it back home. And what a nutty night. What a nutty night. Man, I pulled up on my boy with the GT500. Told y'all about the McLaren, but I didn't think he was going to bring his other boy with the motherfucking Ferrari. What? And my boy's GT500. That mug was moving too. I know y'all seen the little pool. Blazing. Super fast. And on that note, I hope y'all enjoyed kicking it with me and kicking it with my boys as much as I enjoyed it. Stay blessed. Stay positive. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love y'all.